Top 5 container gardening ideas for your home. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: the top 5 container gardening ideas for your home. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a tiny balcony, these ideas will help you create a lush and green oasis right at home. Let's get started. Our first idea is the classic herb garden. You can easily grow aromatic herbs like basil, mint, rosemary, and thyme in individual containers. They're not only great for cooking, but also add a fresh scent to your garden. Next up, we have flowering annuals. These colorful annual flowers, such as petunias, marigolds, and impatiens, can brighten up any space. They bring vibrant hues and a touch of nature to your home. Succulent garden is our third idea. Succulents are low maintenance and come in various shapes and sizes. Plant them in a shallow container to create a unique and drought-tolerant garden with a modern aesthetic. Look at what a difference it makes. Fourth on our list is the vegetable container garden. Even if you have limited space, you can grow veggies like tomatoes, peppers, and lettuce in large containers. Vertical gardening is a great technique to maximize your growing area. Last but not least, we have the whimsical fairy garden. Create a mini world filled with small plants, miniature furniture, and charming figurines. It's a fun and imaginative way to decorate your outdoor or indoor space. There you have it. Our top 5 container gardening ideas to transform your home into a green paradise. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these ideas can suit any level of expertise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow gardening enthusiasts. Happy gardening!